Welcome back to Lolo Overland. My name's Josh, and this is another edition of the Lolo Buildup. Today we're featuring Sentinel Overland's 2016 Ford F-250. Let's take a walk around this truck and see what we've done to it. We started on this build back in July of 2019. The owner Kevin brought his truck down from the Seattle area where we began stage one of the build. We started off with front and rear body armor 4x4 bumpers, a worn 12,000 pound synthetic rope winch with a factor 55 flat link on the end, two sets of Baja Design LP9s in the amber and the clear lens, and two sets of the Squadron Sports in the amber lens. We also have a Raptor grille for a little bit aggressive styling and a WeatherTech bug shield for the bugs. One of the coolest things we did to this build was adding the Carli Suspension 2.5 pin top system, which is running King shocks, factory tuned by Carli, and allowing us to run 37-inch Falcon Wild Peak AT3W tires on some Black Rhino military style wheels and some worn locking hubs. Because this truck does have a lift and 37-inch tires, we went with a set of N-Fab rock sliders with a slight step up. We also have a Rhino Rack platform system, which houses our Max Tracks on a Rhino Rack mount, a Rhino Rack expandable ladder, and Baja Design S2 Sport lights. Now this ladder comes with a mount, which is quick release, and the ladder really helps to access that platform system and access the tent. Walking down, we have the ARE topper with a really cool ARE side box, which basically houses all his gear, recovery gear, air compressor, water, fuel, basically everything he needs on the go. All right, on the rear here, we've got a 37-inch spare tire, which is housed on a rigged Ultra Swing hitch-mounted spare tire carrier. Now this was the first ever rigged to hold a 37-inch tire, so big shout out to Luke over at Rigged. If you guys haven't seen his products, definitely head over and check them out. Let's open it up and look over some of the other features on this swing away. We've got a front runner tailgate table with a custom rig cutting board. Open this up here. Perfect for getting all your meals prepped or some adult beverages. We also added a Garmin camera to the back of the Ultra Swing, which pairs to the Garmin Overlander in the cab. It does have a 2-inch receiver, so you can still tow up to 10,000 pounds with this Ultra Swing installed. And it has an offset 2-inch receiver on the other side of the swing, so you can carry a bike rack while still towing, which is very cool. Let's open up the back and see what we got going on inside the canopy. So we've got a Dometic 65 quart 12 volt refrigerator and an ARE swing box, which is great for holding ammo or some of your emergency supplies with quick access right here. A couple other things we have inside of this canopy here is some nice interior lighting, some LED light strips, and we also mount some quick fist rubber mounts to hold our hatchet, axe, and our Shovel Tech shovel. One of the things that really sets this truck apart is the rooftop tent we're running. It's something you don't see every day. This is a Bundu Tech electric opening rooftop tent from South Africa, and it is pretty cool. As it rises, the awning automatically deploys. It's got a really nice mattress in there, and Again, this is a Bundu Tech electric opening rooftop tent from South Africa, and as it deploys, Hold on. Okay, ready?
You feeling better?
Yeah, I'm good now.
Okay, prove it.
Yep. Let's see. Ready?
Prove it.
One of the things that really sets this build apart is the rooftop tent we're running. This is a Bundu Tech electric opening rooftop tent from South Africa. As it opens, the awning automatically deploys, and it's got a super nice mattress inside. So this is probably one of the most comfortable tents on the market.
He proved it.
He proved it.
Nice work, Josh.
It comes with a free TV.
Let's go inside this Pimp Ship.
Welcome to the interior of the Pimp Ship. My name's Josh, and today I'll be your captain. For navigation, we're running the Garmin Overlander navigational tablet, which handles all our navigational needs and pairs with our Garmin backup camera in the rear. Also, we can pair our Garmin InReach Mini to send text to all our friends and tell them how cool the Pimp Ship is. Down below for our comms, we've got the Yaesu ham radio, full color screen, dual band with the magnetic antenna. All right, that pretty much wraps it up. Kevin, what a pleasure it's been to build this truck. I'm sure it's gonna be back for a few more things, but you're pretty dialed as it is. So there's your keys.
Thank you so much. We're so stoked to finally put one of our dreams into action, and you made that happen.
Thank
Lolo, your crew, Tony in the shop, Dan. It's been great. My wife and I can't wait to get it out on the trail and roll around the country, and we couldn't do it without you. So thank you so much.
Thank you,
Excited
Kevin.
to have it. Yeah,
I'm really excited to see some photos and some adventures and hear about all the trips you're going to take in this thing. So,
yeah.
Very cool. All right, guys, that pretty much wraps it up, and we'll see you again on another edition of the Lolo Build Up.
See you guys.